Hello guys, welcome back to Evoto AI Creative. Ever taken a fantastic photo, only to find it marred by distracting glare on your subject's glasses? Glass glare and reflections can be a real headache for photographers. Remove glasses reflections using Photoshop. Import the image you want. Choose the way a selection. Select the reflections. Click Generative Fill and type. Remove the reflections from the glasses. Remember, subscribe us for the newest info. Leave any advices or you want to ask in comments. You can choose one of the result you are satisfied. Also, you can choose the models before generate. Thanks for watching and see you next time.